Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do Vietnamese spring rolls, Thai spring rolls. They can fight about whoever's it is, but it's not white man's. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I was taught. Very easy, one of my favorite things to do. But I'm going to show you how to do it right here and roll them and put them all on a plate. But one of the best things to do, and a fun thing to do, is to prepare everything, put it on the table, show everybody how to roll them, and then do it while you're eating. It's probably the best thing you can do with a group of 3 or 4 people, and it's extremely fun. So anyway, let me show you what we got and what to prepare first. So what I got is I got a little bit of pineapple, I've got some bean sprouts, basil leaves, I got cucumbers, and I de-seeded the cucumbers, and I got a little bit of lettuce. I got chili sauce for dipping, and then this is just sweet chili dipping sauce, pre-made, and I'll show you another sauce we're going to make after that. Noodles, just rice noodles. I got those pre-cooked, and now we need to just cut the meat. All right, when cutting up your meat, what you got to do, it can be any meat. I'm using top sirloin, so roast, whatever you got. Just remember, cut it thin and cut it against the grain. So look which way the grain's going. This one is going like this, so I'm going to cut it against the grain and just shave it as thin as you can cut it. And we're just going to make us some of these as thin as we can do it. All right, when your meat's prepared, I already got it cut up. I generally take garlic. Fresh garlic's better if you got it. I use minced garlic, it's just easier and faster. Put a little bit of garlic in it, and I like to take a touch of sesame oil, not much, I mean just a dab. It's really, really strong. And just mix it up and let it sit. And when you're ready for cooking, then it ought to be pre-marinated, but I'll show you what to do then. So that's how you do your meat. We're going to do the shrimp the same way. And chicken's good too. Chicken, turkey, ground turkey, any type of meat you want. It ain't got to be particularly beef or shrimp, or fish is actually good too. When you do your shrimp, I already got my shrimp cleaned and veined. All we're doing with the shrimp is basically the same thing, except for I take my shrimp, it's whole, it's deveined already, and I cut it all the way in half. That way you have 2 pieces. So that's how I do my shrimp. So I'm going to process all these shrimp here, and I'll show you what's next after that. Well, I'll throw another clip in there, just cutting it up. Cut it up real thin, extremely thin, and then I put it in with garlic and a little bit of sesame oil. So I'll throw it in there, and let me get my stir. Now I'm just going to cook that, and you can see how thin it is. Cut it against the grain, and I'm just going to cook that till it's done, and then I'm going to do the shrimp the same way. So when it's done, I'll come back, and then we'll do the shrimp, and I'll show you how to roll them up. Got the beef done, and all I did was I added a little bit of fish sauce and a little bit of chili. And beef is ready. So what I'm going to do is just take it out, I'll put it in a bowl. And I got my heat lamp right above me, so I'm going to take it out and put a little bit of butter in the pan. I'll put it up top, I'll put it in the heat lamp, and now I'm going to do the same thing with the shrimp. And as it cooks, I may add some fish sauce and a little bit of chili. Cook them really well. And I'll see you when they're done. We're going to roll up some rolls. Shrimp done. There's the beef, fried rice, which I showed you in a different video. And now I need to show you how to do the sauce. Let me show you how to do the sauce here. This one here is chili sauce. This one here is sweet chili, just straight out the bottle. But the sauce I really like to use is this one here. And all you do is just take regular soy, fill your bowl with soy, take vinegar. I like to use malt vinegar. If you got white vinegar or whatever, it's perfectly fine to use. Put some vinegar in it. Next thing is fish sauce. That's Mr. Chubb over there telling us, hey, he smells fish sauce. And then chili oil. I'll put a little bit of chili oil right on top. And that is my dipping sauce. So I'll dip it in straight, me preferably, I dip it straight in chili and then a little bit of this soy. And that's it. So to make the roll, I use rice paper. It's pretty cool. Actually, when I was in Vietnam, I seen how they make it, and they had it laid out on bamboo mesh, and the bamboo mesh is the reason them lines is in there. That was actually the mesh that was laid on while it was drying. It's pretty cool. All right, so I dip it in the hot water. It's hot water in this pan. Dip it in the hot water. And one thing you got to make sure of is you don't overdo it, because it's easily done. I'm gonna take a little bit of fried rice and I'm gonna put right here on the edge. And I've never used pineapple before until I went to Vietnam. They used pineapple and I thought it was absolutely delicious. I'm gonna put a little bit of meat, and for this one, and you can change them up. That's the good thing of if you do this with people and everybody makes their own, they make them how they want them. So, and every time I always overdo it. And then noodles. Just grab you some noodles. I'll show you how I do this one. And I generally roll like my main thing, the rice, the noodle, and the meat, and then I'll take a couple basil leaves and I'll put it on the outside edge, right up under the first roll, and then I'll roll it a little bit, and now I'm going to take a couple shrimp. I'll fold these ends in, and then when these roll over, it's perfect. Absolutely a perfect spring roll, and that is absolutely delicious. So that's all you do. And the next one, I might make all shrimp. So again, I'll take my wrapper, rice paper, I'll put it down, and then this one here, I'm just going to do, I love that fried rice. It's absolutely delicious. So I'm going to put the fried rice, and I'm just going to do a few pieces of shrimp on it, bean sprouts, maybe a little lettuce on this one, and no cucumber, and I'll roll it. And me personally, I like basil on every single one. I think basil really makes it. And I'll drop me a couple basil leaves in there. I'll fold my ends in. And there we go, another spring roll. And then normally I take, I'll dip it in the soy first, and then in the chili. That's Mr. Chubb. He smells them shrimp and that fish sauce. Get back. They're absolutely delicious. I'm telling you, if you make that for all your friends, put it on the table, let everybody make their own, it's probably the funnest thing you can do. And probably the best dish. I mean, you'll probably make it once a week once you get started doing it, if you hadn't done it already. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm with YouTube. And let me know what you think. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see, and I'll make it. Okay? Till next time.